Hi everyone, Erin here from Luxe Fifth Wheels, and today we're taking a full walkthrough of a Luxe 48FLB Regent, one of our more unique and truly special fifth wheels that we build. We're going to start off here in the interior, but I'm also going to pop up the floor plan and we're going to put the specifications and link down in the description below. We're starting right here at the entry, and you'll immediately notice a coffee nook, always a favorite detail, but let's head up to the front living area because this is where the FLB really comes through. This coach has one of the highest ceiling clearances that you will find in a fifth wheel. I'm about 5'7", 5'8", and you can see in the TV reflection there are still several feet above me. It gives plenty of space, it feels open and airy. And at first glance, this may remind you of our 44FL front living fifth wheel, but things are about to get very different. The secret bonus room. I'm gonna unlatch it here, and you can see how easily it slides open. The bonus room is a standout feature of the 48FLB. It's perfect for a home office on the road, crafting or hobby room, additional storage. There's plenty of headroom, window, and it's easy access. It's a really versatile space for your full-time fifth wheel. Just a quick panorama of the living room. We have the jackknife sofas and the theater seating, again similar to the 44FL, giving you lots of seating for entertaining or relaxing. But we're gonna move on to the kitchen. This coach is equipped with a residential refrigerator with ice and water in the door. The owners chose an induction cooktop. You can do the 4-burner, the 5-burner with the 30 or the 24-inch oven, which can also double as extra counter space when not in use. Also, the microwave above is residential grade. We're going to sweep around to the island to see the double composite sink in black, which looks incredibly sharp against those white countertops. Over here, we have the buffet seating, perfect for breakfast, working on the road, or enjoying the view out of those windows when you're parked at the resort. Below, we've got the maroon grade flooring, above, cabinetry, and on the side here, a TV, great for morning news or background noise while you're cooking. Great feature about this floor plan as well is the full-length pantry. It's illuminated, gives you plenty of pantry storage here. Just off the kitchen is the half bath. Tile is same as in the kitchen. You can always choose to do a different tile in your bathroom if you want to give it a little versatility if you'd like. Turning back around, we're going to see the stackable washer and dryer here. And I want you to forgive the bed being messy because I wanted to show you that the bed can come up and recline, and it's a great feature. It's currently upright, which is why it's messy, but really great for lounging and watching TV over here in the wardrobe. So we've got your TV, we've got drawers on the bottom, we've got cabinets on both sides and the center, and inside both of these we'll find hanging bars, and in this one in particular we'll find our dovetailed drawer. Now we're moving on to the bathroom, which I absolutely love. I loved the bathroom in the 44FL, and now we've just taken it and improved it even more. Mirrors, more lighting, the LED in the mirror. You can see the tall residential shower with the skylight and the teak seat. Now this coach, they chose to do a dual sink vanity. You can opt for a single sink if that better suits your needs. The porcelain toilet, as always. I'm gonna have a seat here. There's plenty of room to sit and comfortably and move around. And there's plenty of storage for linens, towels, plenty of spaces in the cabinetries. But that wraps up our interior. Let's head to the exterior and chat about that. Alright, we are outside the Luxe 48FLB Regent fifth wheel, and we're starting at the cap, which is equipped with the Gen Y hitch. We have the batteries and set up in the bay right here. Sweeping around, we have the 40-pound propane tanks. There's one on each side. Moving, we can see the pass-through storage, and you can get a look at our PEX lines and our beautiful wiring before we continue on. At the entry, we've got the step above entry staircase, the MORIT safety rail, and as we step back, we can see the outdoor entertainment center. And as you take in the full coach, we always have to talk about the paint scheme. The paint scheme, as we can see, is the Regent Tsunami. It goes onto the slide outs. It's an option, you don't have to continue it on the slide outs, but we will always paint the slide outs in your base color. As always, this is fully automotive grade paint, finished, 5 layers, wet sand cut and buff, and absolutely no decals or stickers. Cannot say that enough. No decals or stickers. We're gonna move on to the back of the basement storage because while the secret room on the inside is what makes the FLB great, the basement storage on the outside is also what makes it great. We can see the massive MORRIDE tray slide, which currently holds the owner's office chair for the secret bonus room. And we can see there's plenty of accessible storage from both sides, tons of depth. We've put a kayak back here before. It's just an incredible amount of usable space. We're gonna back up to see the backup camera, backup lights, the ladder leading to our walkable roof, and that is the Luxe 48FLB Regent. Thank you so much for joining me on this walkthrough. I'll have links in the description below, but if you have any ideas for what you would use the secret bonus room for, I would love to hear it. So drop it in the comments below, and until next time.